Read more words. These are some words that end with the letters IG. This is how we read them. IG, ig, big, dig, fig, wig. These are some words that end with the letters ID. This is how we read them. ID, id, did, hid, kid, lid. These are some words that end with the letters IN. This is how we read them. IN, in, bin, fin, tin, win. These are some words that end with the letters IT. This is how we read them. IT, it, bit, fit, kit, lit, pit. These are some words that end with the letters IP. This is how we read them. IP, ip, dip, hip, lip, sip, tip, ship. These are some words that end with the letters ILL. This is how we read them. ILL, ill, bill, fill, mill, pill, will.